Hi guys, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, beads and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. 169 meters and 50 grams. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. And in today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet amazing cord with beads. I remind you, this is my own pattern I created recently for you. You can stop at any stage of this project. Let's get started crocheting. Here how it looks on my hand. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make treble crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Well done. Make chain of 2. Make slip stitch and chain. So make slip stitch with chain 7 times into each side. I will count only slip stitches. 1, 2, chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 chain. Work with the opposite side. 1, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 chain. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. My ring is ready. This is the first segment. Let's crochet the second segment. Let's crochet the next one. Make a chain. I will start from the chain. At this point I am joining a bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Pull up the working loop. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Grab the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain with bead. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. Well done. The base for the next segment is ready. Make chain of 2. Work into the chain space. I insert the hook around the chain space and into the thread. I insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make a slip stitch. So make slip stitch with chain 7 times. slip stitch and chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and slip stitch, 7. My trim is ready for the one side, chain, and turn the work. Work with a slip stitch and chain 7 times. I will count only slip stitches: 1, 2, 3, and chain, 4, 5, 6, and chain, 7, and chain. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. And pull it. My second segment with bead is ready. Let's crochet the third segment. It is going to be like a first one. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Make treble crochet into the first chain stitch. Well done. Chain of 2 and work with slip stitch and chain 7 times. Let's count: 1, 2, and chain, 3, and chain, 4, chain, 5, and chain, 6, and chain, 7, and chain. Turn the work: 1, 2, 3, and chain, 4, and chain, 5, chain, 6, and chain, 7, chain. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make a slip stitch. My third segment is ready. Here how it looks. The fourth one will be as the second one. Make a chain. Pull up the working loop. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and work with the slip stitch into the chain with bead and pull it. My base for the segment is ready. Let's crochet slip stitches. Make chain of 2 and make slip stitch with chain 7 times. I will count only slip stitches. Make slip stitch 1, chain, 2, and chain, 3, and chain, 4, and chain, 5, and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain. Work with the opposite side. Make slip stitch with chain 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain. And work with a slip stitch into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. The fourth segment is ready. Let's crochet the fifth one. It is going to be like the first one. Here what I have. Let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. And make treble crochet. My treble crochet is ready. Here what I have. So you should repeat as many times as you need for your cord. Then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last segment, and now I show you how to complete my project. You can stop at any stage. So to secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn if you want to sew jewelry. My cord is ready. Here how it looks. This is the back side and this is front. So you can alternate with these two segments as many times as you need for your project to create your personal project. Here how it looks on my hand. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Also, you can find a lot of useful links in the description. If you don't like how to crochet with beads, you can choose another video tutorials from my playlist that could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share these video tutorials with your friends. Bye!